Hello friends, welcome to my channel and please subscribe me if you had not subscribed me. So let's start. In this video I'm going to review on a new game, Bridge Construction. So let's check it out. First we have to go to Play Store and then search Bridge Construction Simulation. You can see here the second one is Bridge Construction Simulation. I had installed it already. You can see this game is very interesting and hard also. You can see here, see this game is so easy, hard I mean. It has 4.1 star and 100,000 of download. So let's open this game and play this game. Easy mode is locked. Let this in normal. So friends, as you can see, this game is nice. So thank you so much for watching my video friends.